In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a powerful webinar title generator to streamline your marketing. Let's get started. I'll start by opening ChatGPT in my browser. To set the right context for the AI, I have a pre-written prompt saved in my notes. I'll highlight and copy this message, which defines my role as a course creator named Josh and outlines the specific styles of titles I'm looking for, such as direct and curiosity-driven options. I paste this into the chat box and hit the send button. ChatGPT acknowledges my instructions and confirms it's ready to act as my personal title generator, even outlining the rules it will follow for the target audience. Now that the AI understands the framework, I'll head back to my notes to grab my first specific request. I'm copying a prompt asking for 15 title ideas focused on the topic of time management for busy professionals. I paste that into the message bar and send it off. As the response generates, I scroll down to review the results. You can see it has categorized the titles into direct, curiosity-driven, and benefit-focused styles. This gives me a great variety to choose from, ranging from straightforward guides to more intriguing hooks like the hidden time wasters. To make these even more useful, I want to narrow down the best options for an email campaign. I'll go back to my notes and copy a prompt asking ChatGPT to pick the top 3 titles from the list that would perform best as email subject lines. I paste it in and let it analyze the previous output. It quickly identifies the strongest candidates and provides a helpful "Why it works" section for each, explaining the psychology behind why someone would click and register. Let's try a different topic to see its versatility. I'll go back to my notepad and copy a new prompt for a webinar about using LinkedIn to get more clients. I'm specifically asking for 10 titles that feel urgent and results-driven. After pasting and sending the prompt, I get a fresh list of targeted titles designed specifically for freelancers and consultants looking to grow their business. Finally, I want to see how one of these titles can be adapted for different social platforms. I'll copy my last prompt, which asks the AI to take the best LinkedIn title and rewrite it into 3 versions. One for an email subject line, one for a Facebook event post, and one for a LinkedIn event post. I paste it into the chat and watch as it adjusts the tone and length for each specific platform while keeping the core message consistent. This workflow is a massive time saver for anyone looking to promote their content across multiple channels. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.